All right, hello everybody. This is the lesson video for section 7.5. All right, 7.5 is all about parts of similar triangles. All right, this whole chapter, we've talked a lot about what it means when polygons are similar. More specifically, lately we've been talking a lot about when triangles are similar. All right, what we're talking about today is different things we can figure out or gather given that two triangles are similar. All right. So first thing we're going to talk about is, or things that are proportional are perimeter. All right. If we have two triangles, we know that they are similar to each other. We can figure out that their perimeters are also proportional. So what I would do, well, the question here is, what is the perimeter of this triangle XYZ? If we know that it is similar to triangle ABC, that means the perimeters are going to be proportional. So what I would do is I'm just going to make a ratio here, 6 to 10. That's just comparing those two corresponding sides. I'm going to make a proportion out of it. 6 over 10 is equal to the perimeter of this triangle over the perimeter of that bigger triangle. All right, so if I go 10 plus 10 plus 8, it will give us 28. So I just made a proportion there. All right, I'm comparing two ratios, and then I just solve for x, and that's going to give me the perimeter that we're missing. So if I did cross products here, 6 times 28, and then divided that by 10, you would get to an answer of 16.8. All right, so what does that tell you? That's the perimeter triangle XYZ. All right, that just shows you an example of what it means when I say that things are proportional. All right, we can set up a proportion from that. So other things that we can gather, and you might have to pause this video to copy down the notes, but these are other things that we know to be similar. Corresponding altitudes are proportional. If we look at this drawing here, we have two triangles, and since I know both of those altitudes are proportional to each other, I could just set up a proportion like this. All right, big B to little b, so this to little b is equivalent to big A minus little a. All right. Um, so altitudes are proportional. Also, angle bisectors are proportional, as you can see with this proportion that I set up. All right. Also, last thing, medians are also proportional. All right. So there's a lot we can gather. So this thing on the bottom says measures of corresponding sides are proportional to four things that we just talked about: perimeter, angle bisectors, medians, and also altitudes. All right. Um, so yeah, what we will end up doing for these examples is knowing that these two triangles are similar. We can use that information we just talked about to figure out kind of a length that we're missing. In this case, these first couple problems will be dealing with two triangles that are similar and their perimeters. And since perimeters are proportional to each other, we can solve for the missing side length. All right, so that is kind of the basics of 7.5. Just dealing a lot more of properties of different when triangles are similar. All right, so thanks for watching, and yeah, see you later. Peace.